did it. We have found the most rare and elusive mac and Cheetos that the store could possibly have. And just like the last two, this was the last box. So we did it just in time. All right, well, I already showed you how to do this twice so far, so I don't even need to show you how to do it anymore. And there it is. It's very red. Well, this mac and cheese is pretty spicy. It's also really good. I like it, and feel free to try it yourself. I think they did good making their Cheetos into mac and cheese flavors, but I wouldn't mind like stealing the seasoning packets and making like a chip dip out of it. Oh.